What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily. Let's get into the tech news. Our first story of the day comes from one of my viewers, Raiders fan, and he sent me this screenshot showing his Galaxy Note 10 Plus 256 gigabyte. Looks like the black color, black or blue anyway, is going to be expected delivery is September 4th. And if you remember from a couple of days ago, some of the phones have been pushed back or delayed a little bit. I talked about that. Well, it looks like ship dates are actually improving because the next screenshot I show you from his order shows now an expected delivery date of August 23rd. So it looks like things are improving. The other part of this is he did order his phone August 9th, as you can see up above. Now, he did order his through Samsung.com like I did and a lot of you guys did. And if you're looking to actually purchase a phone, I still would recommend using Samsung.com just based off the trade-in offers and just getting the $150. Everything's just so easy through that site. But regardless, I would recommend if you had a delayed release date, I would recommend logging into Samsung.com or wherever else you ordered it and checking the release date. It might have improved. Mine still says August 23rd as the release date. I got mine the very first minute you could pre-order it. But anyways, check it and let us know in the comments down below. And the last story of the day also comes from one of my viewers. Thank you, Damien. He sent over this screenshot showing that his Galaxy Note 10 Plus has shipped. He has Sprint, he ordered it through Sprint, and he has a tracking number. Now, when I looked that tracking number up, which I blocked out, but when I look it up, it still says a shipment ready for UPS. So it's not completely shipped out with a release date and all that, but I will keep my eyes on it. But the other part of this is, it's awesome news. Obviously, we're more than a week at this point before these phones start shipping out or get released. So I would assume that these phones are gonna start, you're gonna start seeing more and more ship dates starting today, tomorrow, early next week for sure at this point. So if you have a shipment date or a tracking number, make sure you send me an email, gregglestv@gmail.com, or text me 619-721-3699. Or reach out to me on social media at Greggles TV everywhere. I'm on Facebook. Make sure you like the Facebook page if you haven't already. On Twitter, follow me there at Greggles TV. On Snapchat at Greggles TV. Instagram or Greggles TV, everywhere. So anyways, that's definitely, these are starting to ship out right now. It's awesome news, and we'll keep our eyes on this. I'll let you know more as I get actual delivery dates as well. So thanks for watching. Your question of the day is, once your Note 10 is all set up, what's the first thing you're going to do on it? I'll probably watch a video. That'll probably be the first thing that I do, or look at social media, I would say. Maybe Instagram. I'll say Instagram because that's more realistic. I'll probably look at Instagram first. Let me know what you'll do. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you down the road. Peace!